Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to the Device Hub. Now this is our 9th episode of the best Android home screen setups of the week, and if you really enjoy Android customizations, I think you should check out my old videos because I have some of the best Android customization videos on YouTube now, so make sure to check it out if you're free and if you do want to customize your Android device. Now we are on the 9th episode and I'm just super excited to share the setup with you guys. On that note, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. So this setup was built on top of the Nova Launcher. I love to use Nova Launcher because Nova Launcher works with most KWGT widgets by default, which is really cool. And so that is going to be my choice of launcher, in all my setup videos, most of my setup videos. But I mean, if you have any other launcher, this setup can easily be replicated on your launcher, so you don't have to uninstall your launcher to install Nova Launcher. But if you want to use Nova Launcher, if you want to use any other launcher except some of the minimal launchers like Niagara Launcher, you can easily do so. So without talking so much, let's jump into the nitty-gritty, the details of the setup. Now on the top widget, we have a music widget from Cheesecake KWGT called Musical. I really love the way this looks. It's a circular music widget and it has like two squares kind of tilted to the side on the setup, and you can tap it to play music or tap it to pause music. I like that the cover art of the current music you're going to be playing is going to be on this widget, which makes it look even more cooler. Now below that, we have some icons. Now these icons are exciting, they look very gorgeous, and they are from Sliced Icon Pack. I really love Sliced Icon Pack. It looks like corny icons or Enix icons, but it has more, more boldness to it, and I really love the way it looks. Now as you can see, I have it in a 3x3 format, so like 9 apps that I really use frequently, they are here so I can get easy access to them. Now below that, we have the champ in the building. Now that's a widget from minomet KWGT and it's called minomet 172. I really love this widget because it really works well with the Nova Launcher, and as you can see at the top, we have an app facing arrow and a search icon. So if you click the search icon, it takes you to the Google search. Now if you click the arrow, it takes you to the app section. So it's an app drawer, which is really cool, and it's very hidden. So I mean, it's something cool to have. Now below that, we have 4 dots, and with that, if you tap it, it takes you to your battery status. So it shows you every detail of your battery and your remaining battery capacity, which is very cool. And aside that, it gives us details such as the weather condition, the temperature, today's date, and today's day, which is very cool. I really like the color scheme of this widgets. Gray, yellow, and white, they're colors I really love, and I just love how the setups come into play. I love the wallpaper. Now this is a sky wallpaper. I think the sun was about setting and the photographer took it. It's so lovely. Everything here is going to be linked in the description section, so make sure to check it out. And let me know what you think about the setup. I'm super excited for 2020. I love the setup. More interesting videos coming your way, but just let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I go by the name Soji Gray and I'm signing out. Peace.